Look. Weapon down. Okay.
The environment in which these soldiers are going to go back to primarily is going to be in Mogadishu. So again, our training is focused on fighting in built-up areas, which is very different to normal conventional warfare, which in European countries would be the focus of basic training for soldiers. Here, it's going to be the priority of training. So again, getting soldiers to be aware of a three-dimensional surrounding, so they have to look at a horizontal plane and also above and below themselves. The European Union training mission is planned for 12 months. It's broken down into two phases, two 6-month phases. So for the initial phase, we'll be dealing with 1,000 trainees here in the Camp Bahanga. The European Union trainers will be working with 330. So after 6 months, these trainees will be returned to the TFG, the Transitional Federal Government in Somalia, to be reintegrated back into their security forces.
It's exactly the same. And is this party for what? Okay, just look at over the things. Yes.
ركزها ريلاكس
تومي كان سعيد يا